Well, if it isn't you, a designer. All right, guys, I thought it was about time for you guys to meet Bandit. Here's Bandito, 9 years old, and he snores a lot, he barks at everything, and he farts a lot. So yeah, I'm gonna put him away. Designers, Angel here. It's been a while since my last video. Got a lot of updates to give you on the God as a Designer project, on the GIAD launch. I'm also suffering the last few days from some migraines and some headaches, so my health bar is, maybe 60% with a poison status effect, so I'm not as entertaining as I usually am. You know why? Guys, the time is nigh. By the time you see this video, maybe it's already launched. Maybe it's the day after. Hey everyone, this is Angel, editor from the future. Sorry to chime in and interrupt, just to let everyone know that the GIAD Alpha launch, as of this weekend, has sold out in about 72 hours. Thank you so much for the incredible support and encouragement on this project. Really grateful for all the DMs and messages. Also, how cute do I look in this thing? Look at that. Angel, fix your hair. Back to the video. But we are literally 19 hours away from the alpha launch. There you go. 19 hours from the soft launch of the GIAD project. Guys, we did it. It's been a lot of hard work during quarantine. I have shared as much as I can. There's a lot to the process of building an apparel brand or doing some kind of apparel project. So hopefully you have been watching all the other videos. I know that we have talked about quite a few things as part of the process. There's a lot that has happened from the last video till now that unfortunately I can't get into all the weeds of it. As far as the GIAD Alpha launch, I wanted to actually release a bunch of stuff, but after talking to my mentor, we decided to scale back this launch and make it more of a soft launch so that in 2021 we could really focus and do something really big. From the last video till now, I had to work on not just ordering items, but how we're going to release these items. We had to create a marketing strategy for this whole thing. So that means photography, product photography, street photography, getting some photographers on board, influencers to help spread the word. We had to set up Shopify. That includes uploading the products, set up the pricing, set up the shipping, decide if we're gonna offer it worldwide shipping or just US shipping. We're actually gonna do a few countries and the US. Social media posts, when to post the social media posts, creating the content for that, the language for all of this, and the launch video, which to be honest, it's pretty awesome. It's something that I did in a couple of hours, inspired by the Raised by Wolves intro. So if you haven't seen that on HBO, that intro is just phenomenal. Ben Frost, the track that he created for that is just beautiful. So it's this sort of haunting imagery. I wanted to create something very futuristic, at the same time having some footage from like technology from the past and some major events from the past of nature and things like that. The juxtaposition of nature and technology as far as design goes and God in the grand scheme of things, actually it looks pretty cool. So here's a short announcement GIAD Alpha launch trailer that I posted on Instagram. Check it out. I don't know, man. What do you think? I think it's actually pretty cool. I really enjoyed that. Enjoyed making that. The way that I did it was I used Premiere, put all the footage together. I got a licensed track from Envato Elements, which is called Event Horizon. I'll link it below just in case you want to use it for something. Surprisingly enough, I brought that into InShot, which is an app on the iPhone, and I gave some really cool effects, some glitchy effects that I wanted, just because this was going to live on Instagram for the most part. So because it is a soft launch, we are releasing 4 items, 3 headwear pieces and 1 short sleeve shirt. The store is opening for a private email list on Thursday, December the 3rd at noon. There is a limited amount of items. And then Friday, December the 4th at noon, it's going to be open to the public for people that are not part of the mailing list. Joining the mailing list is free, and I have been encouraging people on Instagram to give me your email, bro, so you can get access to this thing, you know? So far, the response has been overwhelming and positive and exciting, and I'm honestly humbled and honored that people like the design work and the attention to detail to the pieces. Have worked really hard to just make something feel, I don't know, dope and premium, you know? So really thank you guys for all the support. Thank you guys for the comments and the feedback, and I've tried to be as transparent as possible during this whole process, just so that if someone wants to start their own apparel brand, they at least have some idea as to what it entails and what kind of commitment you're making. Excited to get some of these products in your hands. Let me know what you think in the comments. Thank you guys again. Honestly, I really appreciate just you being a part of this journey with me. You know, I don't know where it goes from here. I know I just want to make beautiful things and create merchandise that people would just want to wear, you know? So anyway, love you guys. Subscribe to YouTube. Follow me on Instagram. Check out goddessofdesigner.com is the website. The Instagram handle is goddessofdesigner.co. It's the original brand. Keep making beautiful things, and I'll see you on the next video. Let's go with the launch. If you're still here, I want to show you something that's actually really cool for next year. Department of Design and Aesthetics. It's actually a sample we made using puff ink. Can you see that? Who's ready for Dota? Let's go.